welcome back or to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is April. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below before you leave. And if you are a loyal subscriber and are just coming back, thank you guys for coming back. Today I'm going to be doing a collaboration with another YouTuber. Her name is Jessica and she goes by the name of It's Jess here on YouTube. I will link her channel right above right here so you guys can go check out her channel as well. And I will also link her channel and her video down in my description box below. So don't forget to check her out and subscribe to her as well. She is another YouTuber that does vlogs, challenges, pranks, and makeup tutorials. And she is very sweet and very pretty. And we decided to do a springtime colorful makeup look because since it is spring and I really wanted to incorporate a lip gloss that I recently won in her giveaway, which is the Petal Lip Gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I just wanted to give her a big shout out and say thank you for the giveaway that you did recently do. I do have a giveaway going on myself at the moment, so if you guys do want to enter that giveaway, I will link it right above right here. It will be over on April 16th, so don't forget to check that out as well. So with that being said, if you guys want to see how I get this colorful springtime makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start, I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just blend that in with my Beauty Blender. And then to set that, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And then for today's look, I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm just going to pick up those two yellow shades right there and work that into my crease using the Morphe M441 brush. This is going to be my transition color. And I am going to slowly build that color. Next, I'm going to go with this pink shade right here using the Morphe E22 brush and place that a little bit lower into my crease underneath those yellow shades and slowly build that color as well. You really have to take your time and build a color and really blend everything out. This palette isn't very pigmented. I mean, some colors are and some colors are not, but you can always build a color to get it the desired color that you do want it. And then next I'm going to go in with these two pink colors right here using the Morphe B80 brush and place that even lower into the crease. Also on the outer half portion of my eyelid. Like I said before, you really do have to build up these colors, so take your time and build them up. Next, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M441 brush, the brush that I had used to put the first two yellow shades. And without picking up any product, I am just going to take my time and blend out the edges. And then now I'm going to go in with these two pink shades right here using the Morphe M507 brush. I am just going to really define my crease with this color and also place that on the outer half portion of my eye just to really intensify the pink. And like I said before, you really do have to blend everything out. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe E22 brush once again, the brush that I had used to put the first pink shade, and I am just going to blend everything out without picking up any extra product. And now I'm just going to go in with this white shade right here and use that as my under the eyebrow highlight. And then to cut my crease, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Using this small e.l.f. concealer brush, I am just going to place some concealer near my lash line and then look up to see where it touches my crease, and very slowly I am just going to build it up, cutting my crease, working my way all the way to the top where I did mark it with the concealer. And then I am stopping at only halfway of my eyelid. This will be a semi-cut crease. And then next what I like to do is tap it with my finger just to blend where I did stop cutting my crease between the shadow and the concealer. And then I did notice that my concealer line wasn't straight, so I went back in just to fix that. And then next I'm going to go in with my NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium and place that all over on top of the concealer. You can use glitter primer if you prefer. I just wanted to put my mixing medium to use. And then for my gold, I am going to be going in with my Lash Love Gold Bay Loose Illuminating Powder. And this can be used for many things, and I really wanted to use this on my eyelids since I think this is too gold to use it as a highlighter on my cheeks. And as you guys can see, it is very pigmented and very gorgeous. I will link their website down in my description box below in case if you guys want to check them out. You can always use the code AprilBeauty for a discount, and I don't earn any commission, but it does save you guys some money. And then right here I am going to be going in with the Morphe M170-4SH brush, and I am using it just to place it at the very edge of my cut crease. And then using the Morphe E22 brush, I'm going to go in with these two pink shades right here once again. And I am just going to blend between the gold and the pink shadows, just to make it a very smooth transition. And then going in with the Morphe M507 brush, I'm going to pick up these two shades once again as well. And I am really just going to intensify the outer portion of my eye and build up that color. And then using the Morphe M431 brush, I'm going to pick up this yellow shade right here and place that on the inner half portion of my lower lash line. And then picking up this pink shade right here, I'm going to place that on the outer half portion of my lower lash line to smoke it out. Then for eyeliner, as always, I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner and just draw my usual winged eyeliner. And then for pencil liner, I'm going to go in with my favorite eyeliner, which is my Essence Extreme Lasting Black Pencil Liner, and I am just going to line my top and bottom waterlines. And then for mascara, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara and apply one coat to my top lashes as well as my lower lashes to prepare them for my falsies. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using my Lash Love lashes in the style Shooketh. I will link their website down in my description box below, and like I said before, you can use the code AprilBeauty and save some money as well. And then next I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just really bronze up my cheeks as well as near my hairline. And also near my jawline. And then for highlighter today, I'll be using my Ofra highlighter in the color Glow Goals and place that right above my cheekbones. I will also be placing this on the inner corner of my eye just to make it pop. And then next to set everything, I'm going to go in with my Aloe Cucumber and Green Tea Mario Badescu Facial Spray and just spray that all over my face to set everything. And now for lips, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Petal Lip Gloss that I had won in Jessica's giveaway and apply that to my lips. This is my first time using an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and let me tell you, it is very, very pigmented and it smells very sweet. So that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of it. Don't forget to head on over to Jessica's channel and subscribe to her and watch her videos as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my other social media. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video.